In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measuring area and perimeter in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll know two reliable ways to pull accurate area and perimeter values right from your drawing. And you will understand when to use each approach for the fastest results. Let's start with the most efficient option. Quick Measure. On the ribbon, go to the Home tab, then the Utilities panel. Choose Measure and select Quick. With Quick Measure active, simply hover your cursor over a closed shape or click inside it. When AutoCAD recognizes a closed boundary, it highlights the area in green and instantly displays the area and perimeter right on screen. This is great for quick checks as you explore a drawing because the values appear dynamically as you move around. A couple of tips make this smoother. Ensure the boundary is truly closed because even a tiny gap will prevent the highlight from appearing. If you are not getting a highlight, zoom in and look for small breaks, overlapping lines, or stray segments. Object snaps can help you verify corners meet cleanly. Also, remember that the reported values use your current drawing units, so if you are working in millimeters or inches, the results will reflect that setup. For a more deliberate command line method, use the area command with an existing object. Type area and press enter. Then type O for object and press enter again. Now select a closed object such as a polyline or a circle and AutoCAD will report its area and its perimeter, or its circumference if it's a circle. This approach is ideal when you've already drafted clean, closed geometry and you want a definitive readout tied to that object. Because the command analyzes the object itself, it avoids confusion from nearby lines or hatches. If you don't see the result on screen for any reason, check the command line history. The values are listed there for easy reference. As with Quick Measure, accuracy depends on clean, closed geometry. If you suspect a polyline isn't closed, check its properties or zoom into corners to confirm continuity before measuring. Use Quick Measure when you are surveying a plan, testing options, or comparing spaces rapidly. Use the area command with object when you need a stable, repeatable value from a specific shape, especially in final documentation. With both methods in your toolkit, you can work quickly while staying confident in your numbers. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.